Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to build a form within Asana. To begin, head over to your projects area and select the specific project where you intend to set up the form. Once inside, locate and click the Customize option. This opens a menu where you should select Forms, and then use the button to add a new form to your project. Keep in mind that during a free trial, your form is only visible to other users within your specific Asana instance, so a paid plan is eventually required for full access. Now, you can personalize the form by uploading a cover image, giving it a title, and providing a clear description in the designated fields. You have the flexibility to include standard fields like name and email address, or you can generate custom questions by adding them directly to the layout. It is also possible to include file attachments or specific data fields as needed. After adjusting any necessary settings, just hit the Publish button to go live. Thanks for following along. If this was useful, please like the video and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next tutorial.